G'day, it is the 19th of February 2023. I thought I'd just do a quick overview of the place. This is the first paddock up the front near the road. I've got a couple of calves in here who just started in here today weaning off their mums. Here's the sheep. A bit further down, along the dam here on my side, donkeys up there. That's the second paddock up there on that hill. It's looking back at the house from the other side of that second paddock. It's the third paddock. Little dam in there. That's Donny and Lucy. On the far side of that third paddock, the fourth one there. Yeah, the other end of that fourth paddock. And then there's a fifth one down here. That tree line at the back's the boundary, there's a creek. This, I'll just go slowly, but if we pan around, that creek is the boundary of the place. But you'll be able to see the laneway up there we used to walk between the paddocks. A little laneway, we're up closer to the house, small yard. The goats live, and then some yards with a crush and that at the front. This is goats chasing food. It's in the front yard, just our chicken this nursery area. Start them in like a brooder box in the house, then they come out here for a little while, progress into this sort of cage, and then when they get full size, end up in the coop, the main coop at the back.